Make money as a tutor or teacher online. Are you looking for a way to increase your income? Do you want more flexible hours so you can take care of your family? The best online tutoring jobs offer a great opportunity to students, stay-at-home parents, and people who want to enjoy a flexible lifestyle so they can have a custom-made job that pays well. At the same time, they can work remotely so they can have more control over their lives. In this video, I'll explain all about some of the best tutoring opportunities that you can try. Moreover, I'll help you find the right one for you. What are the requirements for online tutoring? Many companies will give preference to tutors who already have teaching experience or a bachelor's degree in the subject they want to tutor. Having these advanced qualifications make more jobs available to you, but isn't necessary. Many online tutors don't need to have certifications or years of experience. While you're gaining experience and expertise, you can apply to companies with less stringent requirements and change companies for higher pay as time goes on. Magic Ears. If you're a Canadian or American, Magic Ears might be a good job for a beginner online tutor. You can earn between $20 and $26 per hour, and your money will be transferred into your PayPal account on the 10th working day of the month. This website is designed to help students in China. The service is provided to students ages 4 to 12, and signing up for teaching is extremely easy. You can simply write your name and email, and you'll immediately be able to teach and help others. Each interactive classroom is made up of 1 up to 4 students, talking and interacting to learn the basics of the English language. You can set your own working hours, which is a big plus, especially if you're still giving online tutoring a try. You'll need to have a bachelor's degree and proof of experience before you start tutoring. You're teaching students in China, so you should take the different time zone working hours into consideration before you sign up for this job. Chegg Tutors. Tutoring of all levels is available at Chegg Tutors. This is an excellent choice for all online tutors as all subjects are offered. The target students are middle school, high school, college students, and professionals. If you have the needed experience, you can easily join the website. Moreover, it offers jobs to college and university students as long as you can provide proof that you're currently studying for a 4-year certificate. If you can present proof of your current or previous studies, in addition to your school scores, you'll be immediately hired to provide educational assistance to struggling students. You can apply from anywhere in the world as all nationalities are welcomed, as long as you have the needed knowledge to offer online tutoring. The pay rate is $20 per hour, and you'll receive your money every week via PayPal. The more specific your academic discipline is, the more money you're likely to make. Although some platforms offer a higher salary, this is an excellent place to start your journey as an online tutor. TutorMe. TutorMe is another helpful online platform that connects struggling students with the right people who can offer academic assistance. Signing up is extremely easy and is suitable for beginners and first-timers. Start your application and write down information about yourself and your education. You should select the subjects that you have mastered while you were studying or the subjects you taught as a teacher if you have any teaching experience. After that, the website will start connecting you to students who are looking for someone who can help them with their homework tasks, essays, assignments, and lessons. Tutor.com. Tutor.com is a legitimate tutoring company that is a service of the Princeton Review. They have tutors that help military families, K-12, higher education, and corporate training. They are looking for tutors experienced in a wide range of topics including AP, SAT prep, and even business topics. To become a tutor, you'll have to fill out the online application, pass the subject exam, and do a mock tutoring session before getting accepted. Even though the application is thorough, you'll get paid more than other tutoring companies with less stringent applications and experience requirements. How to become a successful online tutor. Online tutors can work with students as young as kindergarten and as old as college students studying for their master's degree. You could be a part of their homeschooling program or simply offering help with some of the subjects that they struggle with. Some people hire online tutors to help with simple homework tasks. You don't have to have a lot of experience, especially if the topic is easy, to offer this kind of service. Make sure you give 100% to this work and you won't regret this. This was the video. We hope you got something good from it. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!